Welcome back to our channel, Single to Parenthood. Today you're in for a treat. We're making some chicken stew. Stay tuned. It's always good to have some vegetables in your stew. Today we have some carrots, mushrooms, red and orange pepper, and onions. We've chopped the vegetables up and we're going to leave it on the side until they're ready to use. Ooh-wee! Let's talk some spices. We're using turmeric. Any chicken seasoning is fine. We use Portuguese seasoning and chicken spice, some ginger, smoked paprika, salt, and pepper. Let's spice our chicken up. Put as little or as much spice as you want, and let's sit for 30 minutes to an hour. Now we put canola oil in a pot and turn up that heat. Once you get that oil sizzling, let's caramelize our onions. Now it's time to add that seasoned chicken. While the chicken is cooking, we're going to get right down to getting the base of our sauce ready. We're going to use minestrone and chicken noodle powder soup with some soy sauce and orange ginger. And we mix this with some water until we get a little bit of a paste. Things are looking nice and steamy. Don't forget to stir your chicken every now and again. You want to make sure that you brown the chicken on all sides before we go to the next step. Now we can start adding our vegetables. Let's start off with the carrots. Next, some mushrooms. Some of our orange and red peppers. That's looking really nice and colorful now. And then we're going to mix this through and through. We can't forget about that Knorr chicken cube. We're going to take this and we are going to crumble it over our chicken. This smells so delish. Let the chicken simmer for a few more minutes. As the chicken is simmering, we're going to take our paste powder soup that we left on the side and we're going to add it to the mix. This should spice things up a little bit more. Add water according to how you want the thickness of your chicken stew to be. Sometimes we like to think outside the box and add a little ketchup. Let the chicken simmer until it's cooked the way you want. And voila! Here you have your chicken stew. It smells so delicious. Now it's ready to serve. We hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for joining us. Please subscribe, comment, and like, and share. If you have any other recipe suggestions, let us know. See you in the next video. Stay blessed.